Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a loading bar in Roblox Studio. Firstly, load Roblox Studios, then head to My Games. From here, open up the game you want to add the loading bar into. So I'll just head into this game and wait for the game to load. So now the game has loaded, and firstly we'll head to the toolbox section. Under the models tab, we'll search for loading bar. After searching for loading bar, you will find a lot of loading bar scripts that you can add into your game. I'll just select the first one, click OK. Now under this script there is the loading GUI. So I'll just take the loading GUI into starter GUI and delete this. So now if I click on play, you will see that a loading bar has appeared, which will fill in order for us to play the game. So now it is filled and we are in the game. So that's how you can add a loading bar into your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.